Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be working on this vintage set of Williams box wrenches. I paid $2 for this set and I have been chomping at the bit ever since I got these to get them cleaned up and put in my collection. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well let's get a good look at these. The clip for these, a little rusted. It still works, it's not in bad shape. It definitely needs to be cleaned up. Get all that old paint off there and get the rust off it. You could see where the old Williams sticker used to be on there. It was a orange sticker with a W. What I think I'm going to do is order a different Williams sticker. Probably won't be the same vintage or series, but you know, at least it'll be identified as Williams. And I did go through these. These are all Williams and they're all in size too, so we hit as a little honey hole of Williams box wrenches, so that's pretty cool. What I want to do is start cleaning these up. We'll start with the wire wheel. Alrighty guys, well you kind of know what time it is. I'm going to get all these soaked in the deoxy. I want to get good coverage on these. Probably gonna let them soak for about 4 hours. So we're going to let this soak for about 4 hours. Slide these off to the side. Then we got to figure out what we're going to do with this little case. I'm thinking a paint job is in order, most definitely, and I think I'm going to go with the industrial gray. There is still a little bit of rust in here that I need to take care of. I don't know if that's showing up in there, but I'm going to grab my drill with a little wire brush and take care of that. The rest of it's pretty clean, so I think this should be an easy process. Let me go grab my drill. Oh yeah, that came out nice. Alrighty, well we got this down. Got some cardboard down. We're going to do one side, of course. Once it dries, flip it and do the other. This is hard hat industrial gray. Very nice. We'll let that cure up and we'll flip her on over. Alrighty guys, well, stickers came in the mail. I ordered them through eBay from a gentleman, enginedecals.com. If you guys are looking for some sort of vintage tool stickers or anything like that, he's got quite a selection. So I'm going to put 2 stickers on this wrench holder, one on this side and one on that side, of course. Ooh, the vinyl's nice and thick on these too. Got a fly in the shot. Kind of like the placement of that. That'll work nicely. And I'll go over this with a clear coat as well, just to ensure that the sticker will never come off. Oop, almost dropped it right on there. There we go, right in the center. That looks pretty nice, don't it? Quite happy with that. All right. Well, now this is done, let's continue on with the wrenches. All right, these have been soaking in the deoxy overnight. We'll get them dried off and I'll throw them on the wire wheel, and then I think I'm going to throw them on my conditioning wheels. And we get them really clean as possible. I think they came out absolutely fantastic, to be honest with you. I am quite happy with this little set. Here we go, guys. Complete set of Williams offset box wrenches. Pretty stoked. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with the Williams offset box wrenches. I think these things came out absolutely fantastic. I'm quite happy with the ending result. Hope you guys are too. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we'll see you next week with another. Bye.